Hey guys, so I wanted to check out the Android Nougat beta here for the OnePlus 3. Some people are saying you should check it out because it is coming now for the OnePlus 3, the Nougat update official from OnePlus. So we're going to have a look at it here in this video. You can see we are running Android 7.0 December patch level, so it's all nice and up to date here, and we just have a look as well at some of the stuff that you do get with the actual update. So first things first, you can see we are getting a drop down menu here, which is very nice and similar to what you're going to get with other Nougat devices. You do also get the multitasking here, so you can see if you want to drag one thing here and one thing onto here, you can see that we do get that now. We also get basically the icons from the latest OnePlus 3T, which is obviously the successor here. So you can see we're getting the same kind of bubble like icons. And I've got a little bit of customization on the OnePlus 3T, but I'm guessing you can also do customization here, similar to what you get on the OnePlus 3T maybe. It looks like you can see the icon that I had before with the square icons was called riff on, so you can do that if you want. I'm just going to keep it on default for now to check it out here, and you can see I think not really much has changed when it comes to the camera. If we just have a look at this one when we come out of the split screen, if we just go into this, you can see it's quite similar to how it was before really. You know, there are some manual controls here and there. Really, you know, it's got some nice added features, but it's not a massive departure if you ask me. I think OnePlus's aim was to keep it very close to how it was before, which did work. You know, I'm not complaining or anything, but I do like it when manufacturers make a bit of an effort to make something a bit different. So you can also see in this area here, I think it's gone through a little bit of changes, making it a bit more up to date and look like what you get with the latest OnePlus 3T. So that is quite nice. You also get this user feedback area, which you can get some support direct from OnePlus. So I think OnePlus has really improved their support nowadays when it comes to Android, and they should be commended for that particular thing. So that is quite nice. We're going to have a look in the settings as well. So in the settings you can see I think the icons are a little bit different now, a little bit more bluish compared to how they were before. In the display settings, we do get quite similar as before, like ambient display. I can't see any way to change the resolution like with the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. That would be pretty nice to get, maximum battery life. I know as well some other manufacturers have been doing that as well, like on the P9 you can also change the resolution there. You can see we get customization of the status bar, and all sorts of good stuff in here. I've got the developer options as well, so I think you will need to allow OEM unlocking if you want to flash this on your device, or you could wait for it to come on officially. It looks like I've got a system update as well, so I will update it eventually. But it looks pretty nice overall. I think one of the major changes as well is that you can change the file system so that it runs as fast nearly as the 3T. I'm not 100% sure if it comes on by default. It does feel quite fast actually, just using it here. Maybe there is a setting you have to put it on though, somewhere in the developer options or something, but I'll look into that. I think it's the new file system obviously which makes the OnePlus 3T so fast. So that's a nice addition. Overall then, very nice update here. I think if you can check it out, it's definitely worthwhile because OnePlus makes it quite easy to flash on custom ROMs etc. on their phones, which should be commended really. You know, not many manufacturers are doing that. So yeah, just a quick little video here. Hope you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.